Hello, good morning. Welcome back to Here We Tow. Well, it's 6 o'clock. We're waiting to board the ferry down at Poole. We're in the Condor queue. This week we're going to do a little bit of vlogging whilst we're away. We're going to bring to you all the little bits and pieces of over in the Jersey area. So we'll bring you some updates as we're there, and also just a bit of holiday and a bit of footage from whilst we're just wandering around enjoying ourselves. So hopefully you'll enjoy it. So we'll catch you in a little while, and hopefully something a bit different. Catch you in a bit.
Another one. I've got loads of people coming today, So we're here in Jersey in the Channel Islands. It's just off the coast of France. Jersey is really special to me, and it was to my mum and also to Jules. I've been coming here since I was 10. Jules and I got engaged here on a beach in 2011. That's how romantic we are. So why are we back now? Well, all my mum wanted was to spend her 70th birthday in Jersey. We used to come twice a year. As you'll know, my mum had cancer and she died in November last year. So she wasn't going to make her 70th birthday, which will be literally on the 1st of July this year. On the last day in the hospice, the last thing she actually said was, "I'm off to Jersey." She gave us a little wave, and in a few hours that was it, she'd gone. So Jules and I have brought her ashes to Jersey so she can be here for her 70th birthday. This vlog isn't about caravanning or motorhoming, so it might not be your thing. But if you're interested in coming to visit Jersey, you might be interested because it is a beautiful place. It's a different world. So I hope you enjoy it, and we'll have a couple of days out, and we'll see you soon.
Well, it's day one here in Jersey in our little apartment. So, time for a brew, and let's go and have a look around. So come with us.
It's day one in Jersey, and today we're doing our favourite walk. We've come up here to Corbiere Lighthouse. We leave the car here and we walk to St Aubin down the old railway line. It takes about an hour and it's 3 miles. Thankfully it's just about all downhill. Once we arrive in St Aubin, there is a Costa, so we like to get a coffee or an iced cooler. And then, if we're feeling brave, we'll trot on to St Helier along the seafront. That is my favourite walk. That's about another 3 miles. Once we get to St Helier, we tend to have another cup of tea or coffee, and then we're lazy and get the bus back up here to the car. So let's head off down the railway line where we always see red squirrels. So let's hope we'll spot one. I'll see you on the walk. So we're nearly halfway along the walk. We're just passing the golf course now. And sadly we haven't seen any red squirrels yet, but my eyes are still peeled, and we'll carry on trotting along. This is Coppersing. Whenever we walk past here, my mum always used to tell me that's what it was. I thought it was just a load of sticks, but she knew better. So there we go. We're not just in Jersey for the scenery, we're also doing some tow car reviews. Later this week, we'll be trying out this Bentley, Porsche, and these 2 Astons. Just how will they tow, you wonder? We're going to find out. Right, quick, they're coming. Come on, quick.
sometimes. This is halfway, all the way down to the bottom. We have stopped and had a brew here before, but as you can see it's currently closed, which is a bit of a shame, but crack on to Costa. This is where you pop out on the front.
It's all open now. We've made it into St Aubin, took us about an hour. We've been to Costa, so we're all refreshed. And next we're going to follow the promenade on to St Helier, which if you look, is that way.
Probably over here. So, just looking as we're going, this here is the end goal, the Fregate. It's where we're going for the cafe, try and get something to eat. You ready for something to eat?
Yeah, I'm peckish.
Can't wait. So, let's crack on the seafront. Awful weather. Awful weather. So if you're interested in little calves on the walk, that's two we've passed. There's probably more hidden. But another little one here, looking out over the view. And as you can see here, just walking on the pathway next to the beach, our goal is getting ever closer. Can almost feel it, but a little bit further to go yet. Just taking in these lovely views.
And that's it, the end of our walk, 6.5 miles. We've made it down into St Helier. We're going to get some lunch and then we'll be getting the bus back to the car. So we'll see you after lunch.
Here we are on the final stretch back to the car. Last bit of walking, just got off the 22, now up to the Corbiere Lighthouse.